Hi and welcome to my place. Today I want to show you 3 magic ways in which you can use the essential oil of an orange. You know, I love eating them, I love what they do for me, and I love that they're really good at lifting your spirits. The first thing I want to show you is how to make a magic hair oil. And what I do is in the morning when I'm doing, after I've brushed my hair, I just get a little bit of oil in my hands and then just scrunch it all through, and you get that beautiful aroma of beautiful essential oils all day. So into here I've put a tablespoon of, you can use a jojoba, or you could use fractionated coconut, or you could use strawberry seed oil. I actually prefer strawberry seed oil. And then into that it's just 2 drops of fresh orange. Oops, oh, why is that not coming up? Oh, that's because it's way down there, that's why. 2 drops into there. You don't need very much, which is fantastic. And then 2 of lemon, and let's just make sure I don't have that just coming out too fast. 2 of those into there, put the lid on as you go because I had a wee spillage and you should see the mess on my floor. And then 2 of bergamot. And bergamot is one of those essential oils that's a bit thicker and it's just a little bit difficult to get out. So I'll just squeeze that, and I have 2 of those into there. Put that down there, put the lid and the stopper back onto it. Where is mine? And I've used one of those, a little dropper bottle, so I'll use that dropper to go into there. Does it go? Give that a good shake up, and then just a couple of drops into your hair is all you need, and then squash that into your hands, and then you just squish that all through your hair. Oh my goodness, that is just so delicious. I love that. Now, I've got another couple of recipes, beautiful fragrances that I want to share with you. So give me a minute to clear the decks and then I'll be back to show you. Welcome back, and I really love this fragrance. I've called it Citrus Burst, and the reason I've got so many of these is because when I'm developing them, I just get carried away, and then I leave them for a month, and then I find them again, and then I decide that it's really good, and then I'll fiddle with it, and then I'll go back to it, and it's like, oh my goodness. So I just thought I'd share everything I had with you so that you could just have a little try. Into a roller bottle, I'm going to put a tablespoon of a jojoba oil, and that's exactly how much. Oh, look at that, my eye is getting better. And then I'm going to put into here 6 drops of orange or sweet orange essential oil, 6 drops of grapefruit, and 6 drops of black pepper. And it's sort of got a lovely with it, which is what I love about it. And I've already measured all of my essential oils, so I'll put those into there, and then it's just a matter of putting on your roller bottle, a bit of strength into there, and giving that a good spray. Leave it for a good shake up, label it, and then put it away for a week, and it's ready to go. But do be careful in the sun, because it's the lemon and orange and stuff like that can be a bit photosensitive to the skin. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that, and I've got one more to share with you, and that will conclude the adventures of a beautiful orange. And now I'm up to concluding my last fragrance, and I've called this Summer Fresh, and it truly is a beautiful summer fresh. Into here I've got 5 drops of jasmine and 3 each of sweet orange, 3 of lemon, and 3 of sandalwood. And onto the top of that I'm just going to add a tablespoon or 30 mils of a jojoba oil into there. And the hardest thing about this fragrance is you have to actually let it be. Oh, I knew I was going to do that. No, I didn't. Thank goodness for that. Put a stopper onto that and put that into a dark place and leave it for a week, and then wear it and just enjoy that fresh summer fragrance that just rings summer. Hope you've enjoyed my whole episode on the wonders of orange. So I've done 2 fragrances. I've done the lifting hair oil. I've done the orange moisturizing shower wash. I've done this weed killer, which I absolutely love. And I think that of all the things that I've found out and heard this year, that the pad infused with the essential oil of orange, put into the toilet roll, put onto the holder, and as you roll the fragrance comes out, is just fantastic. If you've got any good ideas using orange essential oil, please Gmail me at astarsplace@gmail.com, and thanks for watching. I'll see you another day.